Hello. The Joker and I broke up, and I'm an alcoholic. Here's my story. Bro, I'm fucking smashed.
Shut up. That was my driver.
Sorry, Romy.
This is a man's world.
You're my new driver, little bird.
God damn it.
I gotta blow up this chemical factory to prove I broke up with Mr. J. Dope.
Harley Quinn and the Joker broke up. She finna die.
Breakfast sandwich.
Freeze.
No lol. My breakfast sandwich.
Go with Josh and get my diamond.
You.
Yes, I got the diamond.
Snatched. Hey, do you wanna be my informant? No, fuck off. JK, Cassandra Cain has the diamond.
I'm finna kill you.
No, I'll find your diamond.
Oh, okay.
Where is Cassandra Cain? Hey.
Fuck off.
Give me the diamond.
I ate it.
Oh my fucking god.
Hey, crossbow killer.
I am not the crossbow killer.
Doc, you sold me out?
Yeah.
Love isn't real, I'm gonna trade you to a psychopath.
What?
I said we're gonna go have happy fun times at the booby trap. So if you poop out the diamond before Romy comes to kill you, you'll be fine.
Harley WTF.
Fuck all you bitches.
No sir, fuck you.
Well, I guess we gotta work together.
What are we, some kind of suicide squad?
Oh no, he's getting away with Cassandra.
Wahahahaha.
I'm Harley fucking Quinn.
You missed.
Yeah.
Secret grenade.
Good job.
You're hot. Okay, thank you. Bro, I'm gonna ship this diamond out.
We rich.
Bitch stole my car.
Hi guys, HanniLady here. I'm just gonna put it out there, if you didn't like Birds of Prey, you're wrong. But seriously, I loved this movie. I got to see it the day before it released because I work at a movie theater, and then I immediately wanted to go see it again. I just love her so much. But yeah, as always, if you guys liked this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you like my content, make sure to hit subscribe. Leave a comment down below about basically videos you guys would like to see from me in the future. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!